Hello, welcome to our virtual check.
What you will need is a smartphone, a friend, or a family member. Picture time. The first picture is the front view of your teeth. Bite down on your back teeth and smile. Pull your lips and your cheeks back as much as you can. Then take a close shot. The next picture is your right side. Bite down on your back teeth and pull your cheek and lips as much as you can without hiding your gums. Make sure you angle the camera so that your back teeth are visible. Same thing on the left side, just the opposite. Bite down, pull your cheek and lips away without hiding the gums, and ensure that your back teeth are in the shot. The next shot you need to show your upper teeth. Open your mouth as wide as you can and tilt your head up. The angle of the camera should come from below. Finally, the lower teeth. Open your mouth as wide as possible and tilt your head down. You may use your fingers for a better view. The camera angle should come from above. That's it. In the end, this is what the picture should look like. After being reviewed by the clinic, you will receive your personal dental assessment with possible treatment options. Thanks for watching.